We are going to go ahead and do scale of the planets on paper. So you're going to need a piece of paper and maybe a marker or pencil, it doesn't matter. Take your paper and one part, the very bottom, you're going to write the sun. And up at the top, you're going to write Pluto, which we're going to consider the edge of our solar system. So from here, from the sun to there, that's going to be all of our solar system. So what I want you to do next is take the sun and fold it to Pluto. And when you get there, you're going to crease the paper. And in that crease, you're going to write Uranus. All right. And there you go. So half the solar system, our solar system, there's the halfway point. Okay, take Pluto and fold it to Neptune. Fold, and in there, you're going to write Neptune. Okay, another planet. And then take the sun and fold it to Uranus. And this is going to be the tricky one because you're going to think, what are you going to write there? Whoops. You're going to write Saturn. Okay. Now you're thinking, whoa, I have 1/4 of the solar system left to put all those other planets in. That's right. We're going to take Sun and we're going to fold it to Saturn. And when you get there, you're going to write Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay, now we're getting down to some serious folding. We've got this much Sun to Jupiter. And what do you expect to put there? There's actually no planet there. So our little formula stops working here. What's here instead, I'm going to put this off to the side. This is the asteroid belt. There it is. The asteroid belt. Now it's like, whoa, we got to put 4 planets in between the asteroid belt and the sun. You bet. So go ahead and take the sun and fold it to the asteroid belt. And it's okay if it's messy. The whole point is that you get perspective on scale. And I'm going to change from my marker. I'm going to change to a little bit of a fine point pen here because it's going to be easier. So from this little fold here, we're going to put Mars. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot and then I'm going to write Mars next to it. So there's Mars right there. So I've got to fit 3 more planets in between Mars and the sun here. It's going to get tricky. So go ahead and take Mars, fold it, and if you can't fold it, that's fine. Just find the halfway point between Mars and the sun, and what you're going to put in there is Venus. So I'm going to put Venus right there. Voila. Okay, now I've got to find where Mercury is. I know Mercury is somewhere between the sun and Venus. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little dot there. And there's going to be Mercury. Tiny little dot there. And then I need to put Earth between Mars and Venus. And what you're going to find out pretty quickly is that the first 4 planets are super close to the sun compared to the rest of the planets. That's all you have to do for this assignment. What I'd like for you to do is go ahead and take a photo of this, make an image, and then just hand this image in. And that's it. So this is your scale, very different from the pictures that we've usually seen in our textbook. All right, thank you guys for watching.